Discussions provide opportunities for students to engage with course content and interact with one another. Blackboard Ultra offers several options that can help faculty structure meaningful conversations and manage participation effectively. In this video, we'll explore how to create and organize a discussion forum within a course. So this is my course right here, and as you can see, we have modules 1 and 2. So I'm going to create a discussion forum for my students in module 2. So I'm going to expand module 2, and I am going to place my discussion forum in between the readings and materials folder and the assignment. So I'm going to hover to this gray line. You will see it turns purple, and I'm going to click it. Give me the option to create. So I'm going to say create. And if I scroll down under participation and engagement, I am going to select discussion. Now it's going to give me the ability to set up my discussion forum. So first thing I'm going to do is add a title to the forum. So I'm going to call this discussion forum connecting course concepts to real world. Since this is a module 2, let's just call this discussion 2. Next, I'm going to add the questions or the prompt in the box, in the text box over here. So I can type it in, or in this case, I will paste it here. And I'm going to add some formatting so it's a little bit more visually appealing. So this is my directions. I will keep this a title tag. Well, let's just go ahead. I'll make this a header. Set this as a header too, so that way it's a little bit more accessible. And right here is my discussion question. So you'll see I have my directions, the response to classmates, requirements, and my question. Once I'm done, I will go ahead and hit save. So my discussion is created. The next thing I'm going to do is edit the settings. So I'll click this little gear icon. And here I'm going to adjust the settings. So I want to say post first. And I'm going to leave this unchecked, give my students the ability to edit their posts. Now I'm going to grade this discussion. And the due date, I'm going to set the due date to the 16th at 11:59 p.m. So that's when the initial post is due. I'm going to say they're supposed to respond to 2 or more posts, and I'm not going to add a second due date. The instructor can adjust these settings as they see fit, but in my case, I'm just going to set it like this. So maximum points, I'll leave this at 100 points. You can add a rubric if you want to, and everything else looks good, so I'm going to say save. Once I hit save, you will see that my settings are as such. So I got my due date, 100 points, and the discussion activity is hidden until a student posts a response. So anytime you create an assignment, quiz, or discussion forum in Blackboard Ultra, it's going to set the visibility settings as hidden. So just make sure you double check the settings here. So now that I created it, I am going to make it visible to students. And now my discussion forum is all set to go. Let's take a look at how it looks from the student's perspective. I'm going to X out this. And I'm going to go to student preview. And I'm going to say start preview. Then I'll go to module 2 and click on my discussion forum. So it says if I'm a student, I'll go in, put in my response, and I'll hit post. You'll see that my post has been posted here. So that is how you set up a discussion forum in your Blackboard Ultra course.